Did you know AI can compose music? That's right. Systems like OpenAI's MuseNet create tunes in various genres, from classical to pop, showing a surprising and versatile talent for melodies. Imagine a symphony crafted not by a human, but by intelligent algorithms, offering a new dimension to creativity. AI is also making waves in healthcare by detecting diseases early, enhancing imaging and predicting patient outcomes, which vastly improves personalized treatment plans. This ability to analyze vast amounts of data and find patterns beyond human reach makes AI an invaluable ally in medicine, potentially saving countless lives. What's more, AI learns from its mistakes. It adjusts its algorithms based on feedback, getting better at tasks like image recognition and gaming, sometimes even outdoing humans. This self-improvement capability transforms AI from mere tools to dynamic entities that evolve over time, pushing the boundaries of what machines can accomplish. Ever talk to Siri or Alexa? That's AI at work. Natural language processing enables these virtual assistants to understand our queries and provide relevant responses. This seamless interaction with technology is reshaping how we access information and manage daily tasks, embedding AI deeper into our lives each day. And here's the kicker: AI can paint too. Generators like DeepArt create stunning pieces that can rival the works of old masters. This artistic skill demonstrates AI's potential to transcend analytical functions and venture into creative realms, broadening our understanding of art and expression.